Do you dream of financial freedom and the ability to work from anywhere in the world? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with no qualifications or skills required. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just looking for a way to supplement your income, I'll walk you through the ways to start earning money on the internet today. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing on platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. Freelancing is a great way to earn money online and work on your own terms. Platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients who need their services. Freelancers can offer a wide range of services such as online data entry, transcription, video editing, voiceover artist, and more. The key to success as a freelancer is to find your niche, build a strong portfolio, and maintain good communication with clients. 2. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is a growing field where individuals or businesses hire remote workers to perform various tasks. These tasks can include scheduling appointments, managing emails, data entry, and more. Virtual assistants can be a great way to earn money online and work from home. It's important to have a reliable internet connection and a computer to be successful as a virtual assistant. Make sure to subscribe to our channel as we will be diving deeper into each of the points discussed in this video in upcoming videos. 3. Selling stock photography or videos. If you are a photographer or videographer, you can earn money online by selling your work as stock photography or videos. Stock photography and video websites such as Shutterstock or iStock allow you to upload your photos or videos and earn money every time someone licenses them. The key to success when selling stock photography or videos is to consistently upload high-quality images or videos that are in demand. 4. Starting a blog or YouTube channel and monetizing it through advertising or sponsored content. Blogging and vlogging can be a great way to share your passion and expertise with others and earn money online. You can monetize your blog or YouTube channel through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, for those who don't know, is a type of performance-based marketing where a business rewards an affiliate for each new customer they bring to the business. The affiliate can promote the business's products or services on their website or social media channels and earn a commission for each sale. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money online, but it does require some effort and knowledge of how to promote products effectively. The secret is to consistently create high-quality content that resonates with your audience and to build a large following. 5. Online data entry or transcription. Online data entry or transcription is a simple way to earn money online. These jobs typically involve typing or entering data into a computer program. The key to success when working in data entry or transcription is to have a good typing speed and attention to detail. Thank you for watching. We will be discussing each of the points in more detail in future videos. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the discussions.